Trogodišnji projekat promocija ekoturizma i zaštite životne sredine Vlasinskog jezera doneo je povećanje turističkog prometa od 15%. Potpredsednik vlade i resorni ministar Rasim Ljajić ocenjuje da je to veoma važno jer će obezbediti više radnih mesta u zaštićenim područjima.
Ovo nije projekat namenjen za jednokratnu pomoć lokalnom stanovništvu ili određenom području, već projekat koji ima namjeru, cilj i ambiciju da se dalje razvija, širi, unapređuje i da bude pre svega od koristi lokalnoj zajednici. To jeste cilj i ovog i svih ostalih projekata koje namjeravamo da realizujemo.
Stalna koordinatorka Ujedinjenih nacija i stalna predstavnica Undp-a Irena Vojačkova-Solorano kaže da im je cilj da animiraju uspešne kompanije iz privatnog sektora da kroz društveno odgovorno poslovanje prepoznaju i sopstveni interes i potencijal razvoja ekoturizma.
This project has focused on improving, on one hand, the life and employment in the community. Here we talked about the area of the Vlasina Lake. So that is one part. The other part is to make it attractive for tourists. And because there are no bigger production lines there of industries, so tourism is the main source. And the beauty of such a local community, we need to brand it. And this is what we have done. And we have also supported local communities to continue to do their products that they have done traditionally, but to market them and to learn how to sustain a quality so that when tourists come, when they know that they come next year, they will find the same quality.
Well, the benefits are multi-layered. One is, the first come to my mind is that we have greatly benefited, or we have greatly contributed to the development of a local community where we operate. And we truly believe that our business can be thriving as thriving and the development of the local communities. Without that, we cannot have prosperous business. And the second layer, which is equally important to us, is that through this project, we have been able to motivate our own employees who have seen a great value on contributing and living a positive difference in the communities they serve.
Kompanija Coca-Cola u ovaj projekat uložila je 200.000 evra, a Undp 30.000 evra. Inače, najavljeno je da Undp planira da primeni isti model i na Frušku Goru.